Windows 11. Today is my first video with a mic in it. I really thank you for your Windows. All animation has 2K plus views, and thank you for 30 plus subscribers. Today you can see the title. We gonna to go Google Play Store and how to install Google Play Store. So let's open Google Play Store. Now you have to see this 3 dot right here, and you go more tools and you go create shortcut. Now you have to name it like I name it. Google Play Store. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Now we have the Google Play Store ready. The problem is you can't install any apps yet. Okay, in the next devlog we going to install these apps like Roblox or something. Hope you enjoy this video. I see you in the next devlog.